my dear children. I am back with another story for you today. Hope all of you are keeping happy and healthy. Are you ready to listen to a new story today? But before starting the story, I want to ask you something. You know, whenever you step out on the roads and there is a lot of honking of cars and other vehicles around, how do you feel? And how does your papa feel when he is driving on the road? Irritated, right? You don't like all that noise? I want to ask you another thing. What happens when in the classroom all of you are having a gala time, shouting away to glory? What does your teacher say to you? Class, don't make a noise. How many times in a day do you hear that? Innumerable times, I know. So, one thing's for sure, that all of us get irritated if there is a lot of noise around us. Yes, you are getting a hint now. So today's story is also about noise. The name of the story is Too Much Noise. It is written by Rohini Nilekani. It is illustrated by Angie and Upesh. And it is published by Pratham Books. So let's start the story. One day, Sringeri Srinivas, the farmer, set out with his best cows to the cattle fair. He had to walk along the new national highway that had come up near his village. The big road had many cars and trucks. Every driver seemed to be honking loudly. Papa, papa, papa. The cows did not like the noise. They decided to go back home. He waved his hands at the drivers to stop the noise. This did not help. Seeing him, they just honked louder. The noise of the horns went straight into his head, and it stayed there. It was a bad day for him. He went back home with his cows. The cows were very happy to be in the cowshed again. But the noise simply would not go away from his head. Papa, 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 papa. It kept on playing like a band of untrained musicians. Other noises around him soon joined in the chorus. Even the sounds that he heard daily suddenly became too loud for Sringeri Srinivas. The ribbit, tribbit, tribbit, tribbit of the frogs was noisy. The cicadas and their croak, 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 croak were too loud. Sringeri Srinivas wanted the hooting owls to be sent away. He was angry at the koyals for screeching loudly at 4 a.m. And at the cows that mooed at 5 a.m. And whoever asked the roosters to act as an alarm clock. And that stupid tiger, enough of his roaring. Poor Sringeri Srinivas. His ears had become raw, like a fresh wound. He tried hard to keep things quiet. He shouted at the children if they talked loudly. He glared at his wife, Parvatamma, when the pressure cooker whistled and whistled. Sringeri Srinivas only wanted silence. Everyone tried to help. Parvatama stopped scolding the children. The children played cricket quietly with a very soft ball. The cows did not moo anymore. The cicadas and owls moved to another village. Even the tiger stopped growling. Yet, Sringeri Srinivas was not happy. He could hear the noise of everyone trying to be silent. "I will go away from this place," he declared one morning. "Please don't," said Parvatama. "Where will you find silence?" Sringeri Srinivas simply frowned at her and started to walk away from his village. Soon, he came close to a new town. He watched the noisy people in the noisy town. A young man passed by. He had some wires dangling from his ears. Sringeri Srinivas could also hear a sound. Ting-dang, ting-dang. The man looked very happy. He did not even notice that the trucks were blaring horns nearby. "What is this?" he asked the man. "Oh, these are my headphones. Here, try them on," the young man said. He put them on for Sringeri Srinivas. Music! Ting-dang, ting-dang. No horns. "Aha! This is just what I need," he said. Sringeri Srinivas went into the town. He bought a pair of the best headphones and put them on. At last, no more noise. He returned to his village with his big new headphones. His wife was happy to see him. Sringeri Srinivas gave her a big smile. His children helped him to connect the new headphones to some good, happy music. Now, when Sringeri Srinivas gets very angry at the cars or even at the frogs, he puts on his headphones and listens to the silence. Or he listens to some good music. In the village, the cows are mooing again. Moo, moo. The koyals have come back. Trivet, 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 go the frogs. Croak, 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 sing the cicadas. But the cars on the highway are still making too much noise. Papa, 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 papa. It is not a good sound. Sringeri Srinivas has to take his cows to the fair soon. Will they want headphones too? So that's it, dear friends. I hope you enjoyed this story today. Now, what did we learn from this story? That blaring noise like that of honking by cars and other vehicles on the roads can be very irritating and frustrating. So that is why everyone who is driving on the roads should not be honking unnecessarily. And I want to tell you one more thing, dear children. You know, when you burst a lot of firecrackers on Diwali or any other festival for that matter, yes, there is a lot of air pollution, but along with that, there is a lot of noise pollution as well. The loud noise of the bursting crackers really disturbs the animals a lot. And the dogs and other animals have a very tough time. They really get scared with the loud noise. So that is why we should not burst crackers on any festival. So will you promise me something today? You will not burst crackers on Diwali or any other festival because it not only leads to air pollution, it also leads to a lot of noise pollution. Okay, dear children, I will be back with another story for you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.